Hey YouTubers, this is old John making an update to a video I made several years ago about a bird deterrent for my mailbox. And I've got my address covered up here with duct tape so nobody ghosts me or whatever. But anyway, it's a fairly decorative mailbox and it has this bar across the top, and the birds love to sit up here and then crap. And I've put it on since it's rained, but this used to be covered with bird poop. All these, you can vaguely see the spots, so it's working. It's just simply a thin wire. It's wrapped around one end and wrapped around the top. I have the previous video where I used a nylon string and it eventually broke. I can maybe paint this black to hide it a little better, but I don't think you can see it very easily. But believe it or not, this pretty much deters the birds from sitting on top and then pooping. This is old John signing out. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Join my channel, Harrison4003. We've got over 300 videos, mainly DIY and product review, and some spirituality if you're interested.